Okay, we have two shrubs here. This is the bird of paradise, the regular size. And the reason why it's called the bird of paradise is the flower. I'll show you a picture here of what that looks like. It looks like a bird. And it's a very beautiful flower. So this is the regular variety, and this is the giant variety. Believe it or not, this is actually more expensive than this one. This is a 7-gallon one, even though it's like a fraction of the size of this little 3-gallon one here. These guys can get to be fairly large, 12, 15 feet tall over time. And they get to have a really nice, thick, beautiful trunk on them. These guys really won't get any taller than, say, 5 feet max. They do tend to spread out a little bit width-wise, but they don't ever go very tall. They're not known to be evergreen, but I have seen them survive pretty decent winters here in winter, and then they pretty much always come back in the spring and just do some trimming on the dead shrubs. Don't cut it back all the way to the ground. Just take off the outside shrubs that are there, and you should the leaves that are dead, and you should be good.